Guys, welcome to this YouTube channel, and this YouTube channel is basically about helping you maximize business productivity, save time and save money with AI. And yeah, OpenAI has released a new series that they call 12 Days of Christmas, and it means that from today to the next 12 days, or probably the next 11 days, they're going to be rolling out new features. Some of them might be free, some of them might be paid, I don't know, but it's my responsibility and my agency's responsibility to bring this information to you, especially if you're in my part of the world where AI is not really known, right? So moving on to this video, the new feature they released today, they called it OpenAI 01, right? And just like it's showing on my screen, I'm going to be reading it out. This is OpenAI's LinkedIn page, and yeah, they said according to them, OpenAI 01 is now out of preview in Chatgpt. What's changed since the preview? They're trying to say that this new feature is going to give us a faster, more powerful reasoning model that's better at coding, math, and writing. I remember sometime when I was using ChatGPT, the free version, to solve some mathematical equations, it actually gave me some wrong answers. Right? According to what they're saying, this version is going to be better at math and writing. Okay. 01 also supports image uploads, allowing it to apply reasoning to visuals for more detailed and useful responses. Okay, so meaning you're going to be able to put in pictures and it will give you information based on what you want for those pictures, right? So if you're putting in a picture and you're asking it to help you to analyze this picture, it can do that. If you're putting in a picture and you're asking it to answer the question in that picture, let me show you a little bit more of what this can do.
So from here you can see that you can just put in a picture into this OpenAI 01 and ask it to give you a detailed manner of how to build exactly what is in that picture, and it will think based on whatever picture it is you've put in and give you a step-by-step process on how you can build that. Like, isn't this so amazing? See, step 1, step 2, step 3, cut the wood panels. Like, from a beginner, even a beginner would be able to build this with this detailed manual, right? So yeah,
it can analyze that, right? Meaning if you have a question in picture form, if the only information you can give, to get an answer is in picture form, like a screenshot or something, you can even give it a house, a picture of a house, and ask OpenAI 01 to show you step-by-step processes on how you can build that house, and it will. So that's what this statement actually means. Team users, both Plus and Team users, will have access to OpenAI 01 today through the model selector, replacing 01 preview. Enterprise and Edu users will have access in 1 week. Okay, now let's move on to the comment section and see what people have to say, right? This is crazy. Oh my god, that's actually my own comment on LinkedIn. The faster and more powerful reasoning, I wanted to know if anyone would talk about the price, because it actually goes for $200 per month, right? Oh yeah, someone is saying something. OpenAI, the $200 subscription fee is quite steep for individuals. Yeah, finally somebody's talking about the price, right? And yeah, I feel I'm confused. I think this person is not yet available for enterprises. Finally, I can. Oh my god, somebody said, okay, someone else is complaining about the price. Finally, I can fire my finally I can fire my engineers. Okay, so yeah, this is the new update that OpenAI has released today, and so I hope this video was helpful to you, especially if you're in my part of the country, Africa or Nigeria. Don't forget to share this to your friends and to your friends who are software engineers or in any way in the tech industry, because we need to be aware of what is happening in the society so that we don't get left behind. Okay, yeah, I'll see you in my next video.